Hi everyone, this is Annalie with Aryval. We are here at Garrison Forest School at their fall open house. Let's go check it out.
The process using Aryval compared to how I've done it in the past was really quick and easy. It was efficient. We could get the families checked in with their email QR code and get them moved on to the program versus using paper or looking up their last name. It was really efficient.
Before Aryval, we would often take RSVPs at events through name tags, which meant that we were running name tags up to the start of an event. That person's job is no longer necessary, so she was able to spend time in the divisions preparing for all of our campus visitors this morning, which I really appreciated. And I liked the family experience of being able to walk in and sign up immediately and not feel like they were left out because they didn't have a name tag.